So what are the most common home remedies which will help you in preventing or in worsening the stretch marks? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Keerthana Kalva. I am a Chief Aesthetic Dermatologist in Inform Clinics. So what are the most common home remedies which will help you in preventing or in worsening the stretch marks? First and foremost, make sure you are hydrated properly. Drink plenty of water. And second, make sure you moisturize your skin properly. Make sure your moisturizer has vitamin E. Make sure it has some ceramides. Make sure it has some hydrating, oatmeal-based complex. So all this composition can also help in moisturizing your skin better. Make sure you also have nutrient-rich food. Your food should have zinc-rich, your fish and your nuts. Make sure your food is rich in vitamin C because vitamin C is very useful in building your collagen. You get your rich source of your vitamin C from orange, from lemons and kiwi, the most commonly available fruits in India. And number three, make sure you have vitamin E rich food that's available in avocado, in pine nuts and in spinach. This three combination of food will also help in improving your collagen and improving your elastin conditions, and also it helps in improving the overall ground substance. So this will help in preventing development of stretch marks. Now, in spite of doing all this, you've still noticed you're developing a newer stretch marks, and that is when you consult your dermatologist, because your dermatologist can see what is the other underlying problems. Do you have any other skin issues? Is there any other component which is adding to your skin dryness? He or she can rule out that condition for you. Based on that, he will give you moisturizers which are more rich in vitamin E, more rich in shea butter, more rich in aloe vera, more rich in ceramides. So whatever you get in over the counter, which you get in the shops, you can consider what your dermatologist will give will be 10 times much more moisturizing. So along with that, he would also rule out any underlying conditions or any other deficiencies if you have. That would help in preventing the stretch marks. In spite of doing these topical applications, you don't see any improvement in stretch marks, and that is when you can think about laser treatments. Now coming to laser treatments, in teenagers or in men, you can go for laser treatments as early as possible. You don't have to wait. The most earliest time you can consult a dermatologist for laser treatment is when you start to notice a red or pinkish kind of lines. That means yes, your stretch marks are in a developing stage. That is when you go for laser treatments. There is a good build of collagen and elastin. When we hit the stretch marks in the earlier stage, it helps in preventing further widening of the gap. It helps in rejuvenating your fibers. It helps in narrowing your stretch marks as much as possible. So, and coming to pregnant women, you can go for stretch mark treatment post your delivery, post 6 months of your delivery. That is when we advise you to go for the laser treatments. So in laser treatments, the first and foremost, the best laser which is giving very promising result is microplasma, which was recently introduced in 2020 time. It has very good capabilities in producing your collagen elastin. It helps in building the skin volume as well. And after 1 or 2 sessions, you will notice apart from building the volume, you will also notice there is a shrinkage in the size of your stretch mark line. Number 2 is erbium glass. Erbium glass is a painless, it's a non-ablative laser that basically you have no pain, you have no downtime. You can get the erbium glass done and you can go back to your regular work. And number 3 is ablative lasers. Ablative lasers like fractional CO2 or erbium YAG. These two lasers are very effective in treating the pigmentation caused by your stretch marks, and it also helps in modifying the stretch marks superficially. Number 4 is microneedle radiofrequency. These needles basically have radiofrequency energy which helps in building your collagen and elastin also. Because of that, you will notice the narrowing of stretch marks. Apart from this, you have other treatments like chemical peeling, microdermabrasion and dermabrasion, which are followed by few people to give you any improvement in the stretch marks. So commonly I get these questions like, how often do you have to go for the stretch mark treatments? You can go monthly once for stretch mark treatments, and minimum 6 to 8 sessions is what is required to give you the best possible results. And it takes at least 2 to 3 sessions to notice at least certain amount of changes in the stretch marks. And all the laser treatments are safe and effective. You don't have to worry about any side effects. So if you do have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section. And if you find our video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.